Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Han, otherwise known as Han Embroiders, and I embroider sneakers. Today I'm going to be showing you a pair of shoes that I finished today and the pair of shoes that I finished yesterday, since today is Tuesday and yesterday was kind of a long day. The shoes that I finished today and the shoes I finished yesterday were both pet shoes. Here's the shoes that I finished today. These are for Kayla in Florida. This little guy is her 9-pound Chiweenie, which I believe is a Chihuahua Dachshund mix, and he's just so cute. Oh my goodness. She opted to have her future married name on the outside of the shoe and her future wedding date on the inside of the shoe. I really liked her color scheme. She went with an ivory, very light blush color with accents of gold and emerald. And I do get asked quite often if I can work with metallic thread. People often have silver, gold, rose gold in their color schemes, and I can. I often work with metallic threads, even though some embroidery artists report them to be super hard to work with. They're not the easiest threads to work with, but I think the payoff is definitely worth it in the way that they reflect light within the embroidery designs, and they just really stand out. I'll give you another close-up. So I use gold thread for the insides of the flowers and just for the little French knots that I do on the bottom. So I'm going to get these packaged up and ready to ship out, and I'll show you the shoe that I finished yesterday. Okay, so the shoe I finished yesterday was a two-pet shoe, a dog and a cat duo, which I love because I also have a dog and a cat. So these are for Lindsay in Massachusetts. She sent me a photo of her dog and her cat that she wanted on her bridal shoes. So obviously we have a little pitty right here, a little pit bull with some cropped ears, and then just a lovely little tabby cat on the right. In all of the photos that she sent of the cat had a little bit of attitude, always looked like he was rolling his eyes almost, so I did want to capture that. Her color scheme was burgundy, dark teal, and gold, so I've added more of that gold thread in here with some emerald greenery. And she had her future last name on the outside of the shoes and her future wedding date on the inside of the shoes. Lindsay actually recently sent me a message about her little pit bull. She's not feeling too good. She's been diagnosed with lymphoma. So I really hope that she's feeling better. So both of these pairs of pet shoes are going to be shipped off today. I'm going to get those ready now. And that will be everything for what I embroidered today and yesterday. I'll see you guys tomorrow or Thursday, depending on how late my embroidery runs tomorrow. But I will see you later on in this vlog. Hi friends, it is Friday. I know I said I was probably going to record on Wednesday or Thursday, but here we are, it's Friday. Let's get down to it. We had kind of a big snowstorm where I live, so I had to rush off to the post office with a couple pairs of shoes before I got the chance to film them for the vlog. But I did take pictures of them, so I will insert them now. So the first pair that I did was a one pet shoe for Christian in Florida. He wanted his dog's name added to the shoes instead of any other kind of bridal personalization. The next pair of shoes that I finished was for Ashlyn in Iowa. She ordered the white luxury embroidered bridal Converse, part of my Luxe collection, and she got her future last name on the back of the shoes as well as her future wedding date, and she requested those in gold thread. As for the shoe that I finished on Thursday, it was a two-pet shoe for Tatum in Texas. It's usually a little hard for the camera to pick up on the details within the black thread. I'll also add a photo in of Tatum's two doodles. Now Tatum didn't request any further personalization on these, but on the inside of the shoe I do still like to add a little sprig of greenery. Though they did make a note that their color scheme was yellows and purples, so those are the colors that I added in for the florals. Those will be packaged and shipped out very soon, and then I'll show you the last pair of shoes that I have to show you this week. So the last shoes I'm going to show you are a pair of bridal slip-ons, and these are for Krista in Florida. So Krista actually doesn't have her exact color scheme picked out yet with her florist for her wedding, but she did give me some brief guidelines of the kind of vibe she was going for, and I just kind of ran with that. She requested cool tones, so I went in with navy, some white, and some grays. And then after she had placed her order, she messaged that she had recently chosen her dress and it had blush undertones. And she requested that I added in some blush undertones into the design. And if we look a little closer, I added some blush to the inside of the middle flower and then some smaller accents on the leaves. Krista requested her future wedding date, which on this design I put on the top tongue part of the shoe. And on the other shoe, I put her future married name. I can never say enough good things about bridal slip-ons. I feel like these are easily one of the comfiest pairs of shoes that I embroider in my store. And no hate to lace-up shoes, but how easy would it just be to slip these on before walking down the aisle or before you start to party the night away at your reception? So these will also be packaged up and sent out probably tomorrow morning, as it is still snowing here quite heavily. And if you've stuck around for this long, thank you so much for watching this embroidery vlog. If you like seeing embroidery content, tutorials and DIY projects, I would definitely hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of exciting new content coming out in the next couple of months, and I'd hate for you to miss it. If you enjoyed this video, maybe hit the like button and leave me a comment, and I'll see you in next week's embroidery vlog. Bye!